Alright, so this next reaction is a Double Dragon epic martial arts fight on the resound by Epic Fight Tony Jack 2.0. Now it's been a while, man. Like I said, I haven't reacted to any martial arts videos for quite some time, and it's gonna take a while for me to find it, but um but I'll see what I can try to find it instead. So yeah. But I hope that they could do more Double Dragon movies instead, cuz I really wish I could be I could be Billy or Jimmy. Well, I don't think they can, cuz it's, but you know what I'm talking about. But I wish I would be a part of the Double Dragon cast for, I think, for a remake, of course. So I think that's what they plan on do it. Probably near future, I hope. But I'm happy to see Tony Jack once again, cause by the time I will try to like pull out some reactions for over at Patreons instead. So yeah, but yeah. So let's check it out in five, four, three, two.
This video is rated E for epic.
Epic. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay. This is King Angry. Okay. That's a that's a good fight right there. I'm not
This
gonna lie. That was a good fight. That was a good fight right there. Cause try to be like Donnie Yen, of course. Cause I think I think that was the I think that was the plan on doing that because of it. Try to act like Donnie Yen and all the other that they fight just like one of the others, of course. So yeah, I really wish that could happen on the movie. I really wish, or maybe a series. I hope maybe it'll come out on Netflix or Prime Videos or whatever it comes. But yeah, man, I really like this fight because I've been doing my own martial arts for quite some time, but maybe I want to like get back on track, of course, instead. So yeah, but yeah, they did a good job. I ain't gonna lie, man. They did a really good job. Hopefully, I'll see more of them if I can try to find it on here. What's what's his name? Gene. Okay, Gene Adrian, I believe. So yeah, let me see if I can find it. Is it? Um, no, I'm gonna try to find it as long as it takes. So yeah, but that seems like a double dragon if I don't mind. It it does remind me of Double Dragon. So yeah, I was thinking fight just like that. I hope it'll happen in the movie, or it could happen on the series. I don't know. We'll see. But but yeah, man. Comment down below what you think about it. Like, subscribe down below for the original video in case you want to check it out. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next